Hello, good morning, friends. Today I am going to share with you one thing. In rainy season, when you are riding through the rain, you will see or feel that bike is not taking the required pickup. Why this is happening? Because water particles gets inside this air filter section. So if it's your new air filter, then you just have to take it out and let it dry in the sunlight, so the water vapors will go out and your air filter will start working fine again. And if it's an old air filter, then you have to replace it. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel and share my video if you like it.